Manistee Buddy is a big, strong, good-looking young dog. A mate bought him off of us. It was an 8-week-old pup, but his circumstances changed and he didn't have work for him, so we bought him back 2 months ago. He had good manners then, but he hadn't been started, so all his working education has all been done in the last 2 months, but he's come ahead, leaps and bounds, and turning into a handy dog. In these videos, we took him to a fresh set of yards, fresh sheep. Most of his work's been done on training mobs, but here we put him to the test. And as we go through this, you'll see that he has a very natural backer. His bark is still coming, but his dad's was at this age too, and it came with time. I reckon he'll mature with a free bark too. He's fairly biddable, but a very tough, rough and tumble type of dog.
Buddy, come up. Good boy, come. Right up. Good boy, come. Buddy, come. Buddy, come back. Come back. Buddy, come. Buddy, come up. Buddy, buddy, come. Come. Good boys, come. Buddy, come. 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 Good boy, buddy, buddy. Buddy, come. Good boy. Come here. Good boys, get back. Get back. Get back. Good boy. Goose. Buddy. Goose. Good boys. Back. Good boys. Speak. Buddy. Buddy. Goose. Speak. Buddy. Wait. Wait. Get up. Speak, buddy. Tongue's hanging out too far.
In this video here, back in the training yards, just getting him to show his bark. He does have a good bark when he throws it.
Buddy, come back. Buddy, get back. Get back. Get back. Good boy, there. Speak. Buddy.
Buddy is still very full on in the paddock. He needs pushing out, but he has come forward with leaps and bounds and is showing potential there. And with more work and as he matures, I think he'll become a handy paddock dog too.
Wait, buddy. Away. Get around. Good boys. There. Bud. Come, bud. Come, bud. Off. There. Buddy, away. There. Stop. Walk out. Buddy. Buddy, come. Come. Come, bud. Off. Off.
We think Buddy has huge potential, but we took him on as a short-term project, so here he is up for sale.
Away. Off. Good boy. Good boy. Come back. Come back. Off. Off. Good boy. Good boy. Away. Good boy. Buddy, stop.